Join me as I take on the challenge of sketching a powerful half-face of Shiva, complete with the Damru and Trident, all in one sitting. In today's video, we will explore the powerful symbolism behind Shiva's half-face sketch, featuring the iconic Damru and Trident. Many people overlook the deep meanings behind Shiva's imagery. We often get caught up in the beauty of the art without taking the time to understand the significance of the symbols. This is especially true when it comes to the half-face sketch, which at first glance may seem like a striking visual representation, but holds so much more meaning beneath the surface. We need to understand why this representation is significant, and what it says about the deity and its place in Hindu mythology. By digging deeper, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the art and the stories it tells. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about the rich cultural heritage that lies beneath. In many Eastern cultures, symbols and imagery are used to convey complex ideas and emotions, and Shiva's half-face sketch is no exception. The image is not just a representation of the deity, it's a window into the mythology and the stories that surround it. So, let's take some time to really explore this image and uncover the symbolism that makes it so powerful. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a devotee, or just someone who's curious about Hindu mythology, this video is for you. Let's delve into the elements of the sketch, discussing the symbolism of the Damru and Trident and how they contribute to Shiva's powerful persona. The Damru, with its drum-like shape, is often seen as a symbol of creation and rhythm. It's said to be the instrument that Shiva used to create the universe, and its presence in the half-face sketch serves as a reminder of the deity's role as a creator. On the other hand, the Trident represents the three aspects of time: past, present, and future. It's a powerful symbol of Shiva's authority and his ability to transcend time itself. The Damru and Trident are not just random accessories, they're integral parts of Shiva's persona, and their presence in the half-face sketch adds depth and meaning to the image. By including these symbols, the artist is able to convey the complexity of Shiva's character and the many roles he plays in Hindu mythology. Whether he's the destroyer, the creator, or the preserver, Shiva is a deity of many faces, and the half-face sketch is just one representation of his multifaceted personality. The combination of the Damru and Trident in the half-face sketch is particularly striking, as it represents the balance between creation and destruction. Shiva is often seen as a destroyer, but he's also a creator, and the presence of the Damru serves as a reminder of this dual nature. The Trident, on the other hand, represents the power and authority that Shiva wields, and the fear that he inspires in those who cross him. By combining these two symbols, the artist is able to convey the complexity of Shiva's character and the many facets of his personality. The most striking aspect of the sketch is the juxtaposition of the half-face, which represents the duality of existence. Let's uncover what this means for devotees and art enthusiasts alike. The half-face is a powerful symbol, one that represents the dual nature of the universe and the many contradictions that exist within it. It's a reminder that life is full of contradictions, and that often, the most opposing forces can exist side by side. This is reflected in Shiva's own character, who is both the destroyer and the creator, the preserver and the transformer. The half-face also represents the idea that our perceptions are limited, and that there's always more to the story than what we can see on the surface. By only showing half of Shiva's face, the artist is able to convey the idea that our understanding of the universe is always incomplete, and that there's always more to discover. This is a powerful message, one that encourages us to look beyond the surface and to seek out deeper meaning and understanding. In many ways, the half-face sketch is a reflection of our own lives, where we often struggle to reconcile opposing forces and to find balance. The image serves as a reminder that we're not alone in this struggle, and that even the gods themselves are subject to the contradictions of the universe. By embracing this duality, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. The half-face sketch is also a testament to the power of art to convey complex ideas and emotions. Whether you're a devotee or just someone who appreciates art, the image is able to evoke a powerful response, one that encourages us to look deeper and to seek out meaning. We've explored the intricate details of Shiva's half-face sketch and its powerful symbolism, reminding us of the balance between different forces in life. By examining the image in depth, we've gained a deeper understanding of the deity and his place in Hindu mythology. If you enjoyed this exploration, check out my other videos on Hindu mythology, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Many artists struggle with capturing the essence of Lord Shiva, especially when it comes to details like the facial expression and the intricate accessories. The key to getting it right lies in understanding the anatomy of the face and the subtle nuances that make Lord Shiva's features so iconic. One of the biggest challenges is getting the proportions right, from the shape of the eyes to the contours of the nose and mouth. And let's not forget the Damru and Trident, which can be incredibly daunting to draw, especially for beginners. But don't worry, with some practice and patience, you'll be creating stunning sketches in no time. Another crucial aspect is capturing the essence of Lord Shiva's personality, which is often depicted as fierce yet calm, powerful yet gentle. We'll break down the sketching process step by step, focusing on the anatomy of the face, the textures of the Damru and Trident, and how to achieve the right proportions. First, we'll start with the basics, mapping out the facial features and getting the proportions right. From there, we'll dive into the details, adding texture and dimension to the sketch. We'll explore different techniques for creating realistic skin tones and adding subtle shading to bring the sketch to life. And of course, we'll show you how to draw the Damru and Trident in a way that looks authentic and detailed. The anatomy of the face is crucial in getting the proportions right, so we'll take a closer look at how to measure and draw the different features. We'll also explore how to add subtle expressions and emotions to the face, which can make all the difference in capturing Lord Shiva's essence. When it comes to the Damru and Trident, we'll demonstrate how to add texture and dimension, making them look like real props. And to take it to the next level, we'll show you how to add subtle shading and highlights to give the sketch depth and dimensionality. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create a stunning half-face sketch of Lord Shiva. The key moment will be when you see the sketch come to life as we add the final touches, highlighting the spiritual aura around Lord Shiva. This is where all the hard work comes together, and you'll be amazed at how a few subtle details can completely transform the sketch. We'll show you how to add a sense of energy and movement to the sketch, capturing the dynamic spirit of Lord Shiva. And to finish it off, we'll add some final highlights and textures, giving the sketch a sense of depth and dimension. By the time we're done, you'll have a sketch that's not only visually stunning but also deeply evocative of Lord Shiva's spiritual essence. As we work through the sketch, you'll start to see how all the different elements come together to create a cohesive and powerful image. We'll highlight the importance of paying attention to detail and how practice can help you refine your skills. And don't worry if your first attempts aren't perfect, the most important thing is to keep practicing and having fun with the process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to creating stunning half-face sketches of Lord Shiva that capture his essence and energy. To wrap up, we'll review the main techniques used and emphasize the importance of practice in mastering this art form. Remember, the key to getting better is to keep practicing and pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments and check out my other drawing tutorials for more tips and tricks.